In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create custom tabs using multi-state box and Velo code. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you will set up both the design and the tab behavior. Once the editor is open, go to the top menu and turn on Dev mode. This enables Velo, which gives you access to the code panel and the event tools you need to make your custom tabs interactive. Next, click the Add Elements button, then search for multi-state box. Drag the multi-state box onto your page. This element will act as the container for your tab content. Each state inside the box represents a different tab, so this is the core of the setup. After placing the box on the page, open the Manage States menu. Here you can add more states and rename them to match the tabs you want to create. For example, if your tabs represent different sections of content, make sure each state has a clear and matching name. Keeping the state names organized will make the coding part easier to follow and manage later. Once your states are ready, add buttons to the page for each tab. These buttons will allow visitors to switch between the different states of the multi-state box. Try to place them in a clean row or layout that makes the tab navigation feel natural and easy to use. Now click the first button and open the Properties and Events panel. This is where you will connect the button to the code. In the code panel, use Velo syntax to change the state of the multi-state box when that button is clicked. The goal is simple. When the visitor selects a button, the box should switch to the matching state and display the correct content. After the first button is working, repeat the same event code setup for all the other buttons. Just make sure each button points to the correct state name. This part is important because the tab system only works smoothly when every button is mapped correctly to its matching content state. When everything is connected and tested in the editor, click Publish to make your changes live. Your custom tabs should now work as an interactive tab layout, powered by a multi-state box and Velo code. That covers everything you need to know.